As you'd probably expect, we hear from traders from all over the world who are both interested in us backing them with capital through our proprietary trading firm, as well as traders who are trading their own capital and are seeking advice about their trading. One of the most common questions I get is this: what can I reasonably expect to make as an options income trader? The guys usually asking this question are people who are currently in careers that for some reason or another they want to leave, whether they're bored, not really challenged by their job, or they might dislike the industry they're in, or they don't like the commute into work, they don't like the people they're working with, or a multitude of other reasons. And for whatever reason, they really would love to have the freedom to trade for a living, but are afraid to make that leap into trading without understanding what return can reasonably expected to be earned as an options income trader. If this sounds like you and you're curious whether you can make this leap into full-time trading as an options income trader, then I'm pretty sure you're going to be interested in this video, so stick around. Hi, I'm Seth Freuberg, and I'm the head trader of SMB Capital's options trading desk here in Manhattan. SMB Capital is a proprietary trading firm located in Midtown Manhattan, and we provide capital for options and equity traders from all over the world, trading both remotely and in our offices here in New York City. You'll want to click our subscribe button right now so that you don't miss any of our free trading videos produced for the trading and investing community. I received this email from one of our followers asking if I could comment upon his simple goal of making $500 a week in his $5,000 trading account through options income trading. On the surface, you might consider this to be a pretty reasonable goal. I mean, how hard can it be to make $500 a week on a $5,000 trading account? After all, that's only $100 a day. Seems reasonable on the surface, but let's dig a little deeper. As far as options income trading is concerned, while I'm sure this follower was well-intentioned, I have to tell you that this is actually a preposterous goal. I mean, think about it. $500 per week is $26,000 a year on a $5,000 account. That's a return of 520%. Do you know what the average return on the S&P 500 is on an annual basis? 7%. That's about $7 a week on a $5,000 account on average. And to make 520% every year means that you are doing 7,500% better than the equity markets. If you invest $5,000 in a one-year bank certificate of deposit, do you know how much you'd make each week? You'd make $2.50 a week. If you had a strategy that produced a reliable $500 a week on a $5,000 account, everyone in the world would quit their jobs and employ whatever that mythological strategy is. It's not real and it's not realistic. I mean, it's all well and good to create a stretch goal for yourself, but your goals have to be realistic or you'll make some terrible personal decisions based on completely unfounded expectations. It's really important to have a realistic understanding of what can be expected and then set up a plan around what's realistic. So what are realistic goals? It's important to get real about your trading. Well, we happen to have kept careful track of 4 strategies for which we've developed advanced options trading video courses. So we've got some insight into this question. We have full records for the last 5 years, 2013 to 2018, and this is actually a pretty good representation of the potential for options income strategies if traded consistently and in a disciplined manner over a 5-year time horizon. Now, each of these strategies is traded using the Russell 2000 index options, which are just volatile enough to provide solid trading opportunities, yet not so volatile that it's difficult to make a profit. Options income traders tend to size up using index options because they are strategies that normally do best in calm markets that are channeling. Equity options don't provide that opportunity as consistently because every 3 months they have an event which is almost certain to create heightened activity, and that of course is earnings releases. Plus, you can have the CEO of one company cuffed and hauled off to jail for some securities violation, but that's unlikely to happen to every CEO of every S&P 500 component simultaneously. So there is enough diversification embedded in every index that they're pretty much tradable every month as far as options income trading is concerned. With equities, it's safer to avoid earnings, and so 1 month a quarter is pretty much untradeable for options income trading with equities. So for all of these reasons, we tend to trade the options on major indexes which have that diversification. So, from a returns standpoint, this table breaks down the returns of 4 of our more popular strategies, backtested strictly by the guidelines of our educational courses on the topic. And as you can see, the trades range in annual returns over the last 5 years, anywhere from 22% a year to 80% a year. Generally speaking, the higher the return, the more variable the results would be, just as in any other form of trading or investing. In any event, compared to the average 7% return on equities or the horrendously bad returns you'll get on fixed income securities these days, these trading styles are very attractive and can be traded simultaneously with day and swing trades without any conflict. Incidentally, we're running a workshop right now where we'll be teaching attendees for free 3 option strategies that options income traders, including those on our options trading desk here at SMB, employ. So if you want to register for this workshop we're currently running, just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing now at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You can also visit optionsclass.com to register for this free intensive workshop. Now, what I'd like you to take away from today's video is that you have to be real about what you can expect from options income trading. The well-intentioned writer of that email I told you about earlier didn't think through completely his desire to make 10% a week, because if he did, he would have realized that performance translates into 520% a year, which just isn't going to happen on a consistent basis, and in any event couldn't happen unless you take an enormous and irresponsible amount of risk. But at the same time, I think you should contemplate what it would mean to traders and investors to be able to churn out 22 to 80% returns on a consistent basis, which really is achievable through the trading style that we teach and practice on our options trading desk here at SMB. If you're a disciplined and knowledgeable options income trader, it can be a very rewarding practice to supplement your trading, or it can act as a standalone centerpiece of your trading career. Now, just to remind you, as I said earlier, if you enjoyed this video and would like to learn 3 more real-world option strategies that our traders use, including this surprisingly simple strategy that Warren Buffett and other great investors use all the time, plus an options trading strategy with a statistical 80% probability of profit month in and month out, plus an option strategy that you can employ with a stock that you like, where you'll make your target profit, whether the stock goes up, goes nowhere, or even goes down a small percentage, then you're going to want to attend our free options class that we're currently running. Just go ahead and click the link that should be appearing now at the top right corner of your screen. That will open the free registration page in a new window, or you can just go ahead over to optionsclass.com to register for this free intensive workshop. It's a rare opportunity for retail traders and investors to learn directly from Wall Street traders, but that's exactly what you'll be getting through this free online workshop. So click the link to sign up now and don't miss it. And one more thing, I'd like you to go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of our trading videos produced for the trading and investing community. And while you're at it, please add your feedback in the comments section for videos that you'd like to see us produce in the future. So from all of us here at SMB, trade well.